Welcome Arm Wrestling fans, I'm Pradeep from Arm Wrestling News. Let's start today's video with the most popular arm wrestling video of the week. Usually I don't cover these most popular videos if they belong to an arm wrestling channel. But since it is not an arm wrestling channel, it gives extra exposure. So this channel with 3 million subscribers, Air Rack, I think this is how you pronounce it, Monster Michael Todd was on this channel. So the theme of the video was these four guys went everywhere and challenged different guys in their respective fields where they are considered experts or high level achievers. So they went to strongmen, professional speed eaters, and chefs and arm wrestler also. Everything you can imagine. So the good thing is that Monster Michael Todd was on the thumbnail, he was on the title, so we can say that he was the most important part of the video. So extra exposure to arm wrestling, extra exposure to Monster Michael Todd, happy for both of them. Now let's move on to another big news. King of the Table 1 and 2 were both huge successes this year. Everyone knows that. So as a follow up to that, Core Sports World has announced 3 more upcoming events next year. This shows their confidence in arm wrestlers and in arm wrestling community. They know that these pay-per-views are going to do well for them. So this is a really huge, really great sign for upcoming future, for upcoming growth of arm wrestling. So King of the Table 3 is in March 2022, King of the Table 4 June 2022, King of the Table 5 September 2022. Now we need to remember that Larry Wheels has already announced about 4-5 months ago that he is planning on having 4 King of the Table events every year. So 3 have been announced, and after September, October, November, December, 3 more months to go. Maybe they can squeeze in another one. This is what I'm hoping. So another interesting news is that Levan versus Devon Larratt. This is the match that they are planning to have on their King of the Table card. So is it possible in March? Maybe, maybe not. But if you remember, Engin Terzi mentioned one interesting thing on his Facebook group. He said that it is his guess. Mark that word. It was his guess that Devon versus Levan can happen in June. And now we are able to see that in June it is King of the Table 4. So is that match going to happen in King of the Table 4? We don't know. Nothing is for sure. Maybe what Engin was guessing, maybe it is true. So another thing to take into consideration while adding this information is that Igor Mazurenko has said that if the Levan versus Devon match is to happen, it will happen under PAL rules. And it will be a friendly match. This is what he also said. So Levan is saying that it is going to happen under PAL rules. King of the Table guys have been really pushing it for past couple of weeks, I would say. Levan versus Devon at King of the Table 3. They were saying 3, but now it looks like it may be even at 4. So let's see, let's hope everything works out well and there is no clash between these two organizations. We don't want that match to fall apart one more time. This is something that nobody wants. And one more update regarding this King of the Table or Core Sports pay-per-view. They asked the fans, and even before asking the fans, they showed their intentions of creating a single pass for 3 or 4 events for all the events that they are planning to have in the upcoming year. So they asked the fans, King of the Table 2022, 3, 4, 5, all access pass subscription. So 88% fans said yes. So now the option will be available for you to buy all of the events at once, hopefully at a discounted price, to support the arm wrestling community and to support Core Sports. Amazing initiative. Now coming to the big news, the biggest event of 2022. It will be held on February 12th, 2022, organized by Engin Terzi, East versus West event. So first match, not necessarily on the card, but whatever Engin has mentioned here. First match on this list, Michael Todd versus Gennady Koikounia, USA versus Georgia. I've made a video about this match earlier also, I think 2 videos, and my prediction has always been Michael Todd winning this match. So maybe I'll do another video as the matches approach. Evan Burgoyne from Canada versus Schoolboy from Russia. Before I talk about this match, I want to add one thing, that Evan Burgoyne is a really smart arm wrestler on the table as well as on YouTube also. Even in his early initial stages on YouTube, he got that thing really dialed in. He was really pushing for a match against Larry Wheels left-handed at King of the Table 2. Unfortunately, he did not get it. Maybe I'm thinking he might be dreaming of that match while sleeping also. That is how much he was trying to push that match. So now he got a match against Schoolboy, another big face, probably the biggest face in arm wrestling. So Evan is saying that they offered him this match. Alex, Schoolboy's brother, offered him this match. But Engin Terzi wrote on his Facebook group that Evan was trying to have this match for a while and finally they had to say yes. So I have to believe the later one is true because we know Evan. He will do anything to get this match. So my prediction would be, if it was a left-handed match, I would have favored Evan Burgoyne because Evan's left is strong and Schoolboy's left is not weak but definitely weaker compared to his right. So I would say Schoolboy has the tools, has the strength, has the levers and experience also to win this match against Evan Burgoyne. Next up we have Todd Hutchings versus soon to be announced. So earlier this match was supposed to be Todd Hutchings versus Sasho Andreev. But when Sasho Andreev was competing against Rob Vigent Jr. on October 2nd this year, even at that time and even after that time, his right pectoral or somewhere around this area was injured. So that is why he didn't even compete right-handed in the WAF championships at Romania. He only competed left-handed. So this match is not going to happen anymore. Would have been an amazing match, but can't avoid injuries. Nothing that we or Engin Terzi or Sasho can do about it. So Engin is looking for the replacement. Angie Rose from Canada versus Anna Gronlund from Sweden. Amazing match. Anna would be the favorite in my opinion. If you haven't seen her, I'll show a video here. Short, stocky, strong, powerful looking woman. I would favor her over Angie Rose. Next up we have Cody Spur-Merritt from USA versus Artem Morozov from Kazakhstan. So let's talk about Cody Merritt first. He got really famous worldwide. He was already well known in USA and Northern America, but he got really famous worldwide when he defeated Arif Artem left-handed to win the WAF World Championships 2019. Of course, super heavyweight division. And Artem Morozov became really famous when he defeated Arif left-handed. So both of them became famous when they defeated Arif Artem. So Cody Spur-Merritt versus Artem Morozov left-handed would be amazing to watch. Ron Bath versus F.A. Comic. Keep in mind that this match is left-handed. Why? F.A. Comic was initially supposed to arm wrestle Chance Shaw from USA, and this match is USA versus Turkey. It was USA versus Turkey even before Chance Shaw versus F.A. Comic. But F.A. injured his right arm, so he didn't even compete in the WAF Worlds this year right-handed, or maybe he injured it there. I don't remember exactly now. But he won left-handed division 110 kilos, so he's really strong. So Chance Shaw cannot compete against FA because FA is injured, and Chance Shaw's left is not his right. Like his left is really weak compared to his right, of course. So this match is happening against Ron Bath left-handed. Ron Bath is nearly 60 years old, and FA Comic fresh off a win, gold medal in WAF. I would see him as the heaviest favorite in this entire card against Ron Bath. This is just my opinion. So Jonathan Breda from USA versus Zura Tevbredzi from Georgia. Don't really know much about Zura, and there are a lot of guys on this card that I don't really know much about. For that reason, I think I may have to call Engin Terzi on my channel to explain these things better. I'm sure you would like it as well. I'll try. Cannot confirm it yet. Chance Shaw versus soon to be announced. So like I told you earlier, FA versus Chance cannot happen. So Chance Shaw, definitely Engin Terzi is looking for a worthy opponent for Chance Shaw. What else do we have? These were the East versus West matches. Now the Star Wars. Fia Rysek, 70 kg WAF champion versus Rebecca, current 65 kg WAF champion. Great matchup. Arif Artem, current WAF super heavyweight champion versus soon to be announced. Oleg Zok is back. The comeback, the athlete that I was most excited and interested about. So Oleg Zok, current 80 kg WAF champion versus Bethkili Oniani, WAF world champion. Again, left-handed. Bethkili is really good inside, but I haven't really seen his recent matches. But in 2018, his wrist somewhat looked suspectable, and Oleg Zok is great at taking wrists. So I think Oleg is done with bullying these 80 kg guys, and I think he needs to really start arm wrestling again the heavier guys, just like he used to do before his injury. Anyways, if Engin has confirmed this match or scheduled this match, fixed this match, it has to be an interesting one. So Yusuf Zia from Turkey, 65 kg WAF champion versus Oleg Cherekasov, current 70 kg WAF champion. So Oleg, you may remember him from that long left-handed match against Daniel Prokopchuk. And this, to produce this card, to sell the pay-per-views at a really high level, like we need to promote these things. Not only us, the YouTubers, but these athletes also on their Instagram, on their Facebook, everywhere they can. Like, and you can see in the card also that like the athletes who had some famous matches are on this card. So showmanship and high level abilities, qualities, high talent on arm wrestling table all help in getting super matches. I'm really excited to see a lot of arm wrestling in the upcoming year. Tell me your thoughts about these matches and these cards, East versus West and King of the Table 2 card. What do you think about these matches? Thanks for watching. Till then, subscribe. Bye bye.